Be honest with yourself. If I test your English right now, would you pass or panic? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll find out your real English level. Hello, everyone. I'm your host, Liam, and welcome back to the Engskill podcast. I'm really happy you're here today because this episode is going to be fun, practical, and very motivating. Have you ever listened to someone speaking English and thought, wow, their English sounds so natural? Here's the secret. It's not about knowing thousands of words. It's about knowing the right words and knowing how to use them confidently. In this episode, I'll test you with 15 powerful words from the book 504 Absolutely Essential Words. Before each word, I'll ask you one question. I'll give you 3 choices. You'll have 5 seconds to think. While you're listening, keep track of how many answers you get right. If you answer up to 3 questions correctly, you're at A1 level, which means beginner. If you get 4 to 7 correct, you're A2 or elementary level. If you answer 8 to 11 questions correctly, that puts you at B1, intermediate. If you get 12 to 14 correct answers, you're B2, upper intermediate. And if you answer all 15 questions correctly, congratulations, you're at C1 level, advanced English. Amazing job. Be honest with yourself. This is how you really improve. Let's begin. Word 1. Abandon. Abandon. What does abandon mean? A. To fix something. B. To leave something completely. C. To improve something. The correct answer is B. Abandon means to leave something or someone completely, often forever. Example sentence. The family had to abandon their house because of the flood. Now let's move to our next word, which talks about strong interest. Word 2. Keen. Keen. What does keen mean? A. Angry. B. Very interested. C. Tired. The correct answer is B. Keen means very interested or very eager. For example, she is keen to learn English and practices every day. Being keen helps you stay focused, and focus brings us to the next word. Word 3. Alert. Alert. What does alert describe? A. Being sleepy. B. Being careful and ready. C. Being confused. The correct answer is B. Alert means fully awake, aware, and ready to react. Example sentence. The teacher was alert and noticed the student's mistake immediately. When you are alert, you notice things quickly, and that leads us here. Word 4. Detect. Detect. What does detect mean? A. To hide something. B. To forget something. C. To discover or notice something. The correct answer is C. Detect means to discover or notice something, especially something hidden. For example, the doctor detected the problem early. After detecting a problem, we usually want to fix it. Word 5. Repair. Repair. What does repair mean? A. To break something. B. To fix something. C. To sell something. The correct answer is B. Repair means to fix something that is broken or damaged. Example, he repaired his phone instead of buying a new one. Now, let's move forward. Word 6. Reluctant. Reluctant. What does reluctant mean? A. Very excited. B. Not willing or hesitant. C. Completely sure. The correct answer is B. Reluctant means not willing or hesitant to do something. Example: he was reluctant to speak English in public at first. When people feel reluctant, others may try to push them. Word 7. Urge. Urge. What does urge mean? A. To strongly encourage. B. To stop someone. C. To confuse someone. The correct answer is A. Urge means to strongly encourage someone to do something. Example sentence: the teacher urged the students to practice speaking daily. After being urged, people usually think carefully. Word 8. Consider. Consider. What does consider mean? A. To decide quickly. B. To ignore something. C. To think about something carefully. The correct answer is C. Consider means to think about something carefully before deciding. For example, she is considering studying abroad next year. Considering different ideas often creates disagreement. Word 9. Opponent. Opponent. Who is an opponent? A. A close friend. B. Someone who supports you. C. Someone who is against you. The correct answer is C. An opponent is a person who is against you in a competition or argument. Example: his opponent in the debate was very confident. To face opponents, you need something important. Word 10. Confidence. Confidence. What is confidence? A. Fear of speaking. B. Belief in yourself. C. Forgetting mistakes. The correct answer is B. Confidence means belief in yourself and your abilities. Example sentence: speaking every day helped her gain confidence in English. Now let's move to the advanced level. Word 11. Persuade. Persuade. What does persuade mean? A. To confuse someone. B. To convince someone. C. To warn someone. The correct answer is B. Persuade means to convince someone to do or believe something. For example, he persuaded his friend to join the English course. Persuasion often requires patience. Word 12. Tolerate. Tolerate. What does tolerate mean? A. To accept something unpleasant. B. To enjoy everything. C. To refuse something. The correct answer is A. Tolerate means to accept something unpleasant without complaining. Example: she learned to tolerate mistakes while learning English. Tolerance builds strength. Word 13. Endure. Endure. What does endure mean? A. To give up. B. To suffer but continue. C. To relax. The correct answer is B. Endure means to suffer through something difficult but continue. Example: he endured many difficulties before becoming fluent in English. Enduring challenges often leads to success. Word 14. Prosper. Prosper. What does prosper mean? A. To fail. B. To stay the same. C. To grow and succeed. The correct answer is C. Prosper means to grow, succeed, or do well. Example sentence. With hard work, his career began to prosper. Success brings understanding. Word 15. Insight. Insight. What does insight mean? A. A deep understanding. B. A small mistake. C. A quick decision. The correct answer is A. Insight means a deep and clear understanding of something. Example, learning vocabulary gave her insight into how English really works. Now check your score honestly. If you reached B2 or C1, your English is truly amazing. If not, don't worry. This is how real progress starts. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next episode.